In the last video about getting started with Blesta, you saw that I experienced a 500 error. If you followed my Blesta installation tutorial on HestiaCP and you experienced a 500 error, this is a possible solution. So I don't know that this is going to work for you if you did the installation on a different system. What worked for me was coming here and then changing the PHP version back. So if I change the PHP to 7.4, it worked well. Now, when you change it to 7.4, another problem that may arise is that the IonCube loader will not get recognized by PHP 7.4. But I did show you how you can install IonCube for your PHP versions. And I did a tutorial, a very extensive tutorial for IonCube. I'll put the link in the description. If I forget, just remind me. So just in brief, if you experience this problem of 500 error when checking out in Blesta, you can try and change the PHP version and make sure that you install the correct IonCube loader for your PHP version. That's it.